Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to get free stars on Telegram. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you want to get free stars on Telegram here and maybe get some free stars that you can spend inside the platform, well, there is a legit way for you to get or earn those stars. So in this case, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Telegram here. And inside Telegram, you want to go ahead and access your settings. So at the very bottom of your screen, you want to go and click on settings. Now, inside your settings, you want to go and scroll down over here until you see the Telegram stars section. Let's go ahead and just select that one. Now, inside your stars here, you should see your current balance. But if you scroll down a bit here, you should see the option that says Earn Stars. Let's go and click on Earn Stars. Now, in this case, we now are accessing the affiliate programs that is available inside Telegram. Now, in this case, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically go to the program section, and you want to go and click on the profitability section at the top right by sort, and basically you want to go and choose either one. So if you want to like maximize profit or revenue, or if you want to see the latest program that they have, you can go and choose the appropriate one. So in my case, I'm going to choose or keep profitability in here, and you want to go ahead and just choose the account or the program here that you may want to start promoting. Now, in this case, let's go and choose the option here that says Payment Bot or Celeb Maker AI. Now, it depends on your preference. Now, in this case, it should give you the option to basically view a few things. Like, for example, the app's daily revenue per user. Now, from here, if you want to join the program, you can go ahead and click on the join program here, and you'll be able to get a link or a unique link that you could start sharing with different people. Now, with that link, you could go and just post this or share this with your friends, share this on your social media accounts, or a specific or a dedicated Facebook page, Instagram account that shares that specific link. So when someone actually accesses that link and uses that link, you'll be able to earn that specific number of stars that you are seeing right now on your screen in here. But yeah, so this is the legit way for you to start earning those free stars in Telegram, and that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.